Okay guys, so ang gawin naman natin today, linear equation, this one, into slope-intercept form. So meron tayong dalawang given. So ito, kailangan maging ganito. So let's do this. Okay, so first thing that we're going to do is transpose 2x on the other side. So ang mangyayari, negative y is equals to negative 2x plus 4. Okay? So, meron pang natirang negative. So, kailangan nating matanggal yung negative. So, alam naman natin yung negative y that is equivalent to negative 1y. So, divide natin yung negative 1 both sides. Negative 1, negative 1, negative 1. So, negative 1 divided by negative 1, that will be cancel. Ang matitira is y. Okay. Negative 2 divided by negative 1, that will be positive 2x. So, positive 4 divided by negative 1, that will be negative 4. So, ito yung answer natin sa number 1. Sa number 2, meron tayong 2y minus 3x equal to negative 18. So, ang gagawin natin, transpose uli natin si negative 3x sa kabila. So, magiging 2y is equals to positive 3x na negative 18. Okay, so kailangan natin tanggalin si 2. Para matanggal yan, divide natin both sides by 2. 2. So 2 divided by 2, or that will be 1. Cancel natin. So y is equals to 3 over 2, that will be 3 over 2 x. Negative 18 divided by 2, that will be negative 9. So, ito yung final answer natin.